COVID cases are climbing once again. The Department of Health Services reporting 1,113 new cases and 17 new deaths this morning. The rise in cases comes as several schools across Arizona report outbreaks. J.O. Combs Unified School District sent a letter home to parents warning of new confirmed cases on campus, forcing them to close a school. Team 12's Trisha Hendricks has more on what's becoming a growing trend.
Unfortunately, there's not a specific set of guidelines for everyone to follow. So the ultimate decision on quarantining measures and whether to stay open or close down temporarily is up to each district individually. Last night, the J.O. Combs district announced they're closing their high school until October 27th. And while they didn't say how many students or staff were infected, they did say 2 or more people tested positive is defined as an outbreak by the Pinal County Public Health Department. So they closed out of an abundance of caution after being directed to do so by public health officials. On the flip side, Mesa Public Schools still open with more than 28 COVID cases and outbreaks of 2 or more cases in 5 of their 6 high schools. Maricopa County Health's executive director says each school is going to be different depending on their resources.
Are they able to make the classrooms smaller? Are they able to spread out students in the classrooms?
In Santan, 6 positive cases meant possible exposure for most of the staff. Flanagan tells us if they would have stayed open, more than 60% of the staff and several hundred students would be quarantining. We spoke with Mesa's Associate Superintendent, Holly Williams. She tells us they're taking it case by case and relying on guidance from the Maricopa County Health Department. In Santan Valley, Trisha Hendricks, 12 News.
And meanwhile, the University of Arizona is canceling spring break over COVID concerns. Instead, students will get 5 reading days spread out throughout the semester. With new information coming out almost by the minute, we know it's tough to keep up, so you can find the latest details about the coronavirus and how it's affecting Arizona on our 12 News app.